Pastor JR here with some coffee and pancit molotoks. I'm talking to an alpha runner here and a champion here. And one of the things I have discovered at this very time, for example, number one, there is a certain guy by the name of Jason. He has started 40, 50 alpha runs. Right now, 100 plus runs na. And it is just moving powerfully. Why? Because this guy by the name of Jason focuses only on alpha. Another thing that I am happy about is the idea that there is a Christian church. It's called Fort somewhere or what have you, and they are converting their Sunday worship celebration as an alpha thing. Kuya RJ, can you develop more about that idea? Come on.
So yeah, there's you mentioned us again. There's a church in Manila who converted one of their Sundays. They call it Alpha Sundays. So this is New Life, the fourth.
So you get that New Life, the fourth Alpha Sundays. Is that once a year?
Yeah, they do it. I think 2-3 times a year, Alpha Sunday, and they're promoting an Alpha run. So it's a foretaste for the congregation to invite their family and friends.
So the elements of Alpha is in that Sunday service?
In that Sunday service. So they have food, they have talk, they have conversation. So there's connection time, there's they have games, no? So connection time, and then they watch video content of Alpha, and then they have conversations.
When you say conversations, it's a small group.
Small group, yes.
Is this within 100 people, 80 people, 300 people?
A minimum of 7 kids per group. And then there's a host and a helper. And then at least 5 or 6 guests.
Have an Alpha Sunday na. Have an Alpha Sunday. Try it out. Then you will not be preaching, somebody else will on video, but the dynamics is powerful when people are coming in conversations. Oh, have an Alpha Sunday. Will you try it?